Hello everyone, Bobby Benish with Benish Real Estate Group, and welcome to today's See It Now property tour of 429 I Street in Bedford, Indiana. We are just a stone's throw away from GM and a cute little garden park with a playground right off of 5th Street, and this is brand new construction by one of Bedford's premier builders, Matcon Construction. So come on in, let's take a look. Before we go in though, I want to point out that on both sides of the property there's this really nice side yard that you could have additional parking, or if you wanted to do a full wraparound fence, there's a big backyard. On the front, what is missing is some stone along the front. They're going to have some really nice stone accents leading up to this one-story home. Now it is built so you only have one single step coming in. That's really nice. Gorgeous porch and a super sweet little space to hang out. So come on in, let's take a look. Now again, we are totally under construction. Like I left my hard hat at home by accident. So just remember, we're going to have a lot of really amazing finishes, but we walk in this nice transition hallway and we shoot right over to this room. Big, beautiful windows. There is a closet, so it could be a bedroom, but it would make a really nice home office space or kind of a little library or study because you are a little bit private up here in the front of the home. Gorgeous windows, low emission windows, and also we have a really nice entry and single step to your garage. It is a 2-car garage with a side door for going out into that side yard. Like I said, if you wanted to have extra space out there, it'd be super for more parking or pets or kiddos. So here is a closet. Coat closet will be, or if you want to use it for extra storage, that would be an option as well. We are going to see a big, beautiful kitchen in here. We have lots of lighting, lots of outlets. We will have granite countertops, so that will be super, a solid stone, and also an overhang, so you can have seating in the kitchen area. Doesn't necessarily need a formal dining. There is space to have a dining room table, but this will all be enough room for really 5 or 6 bar stools or some of those nicer bench seats that I've been seeing now. That's super nice. And lots of room here for dining room. We have this main wall for your entertainment center, which I love that you can have a big sectional here, dining space and kitchen, and everyone can share the TV time. So out back, we have a really big backyard that could be fenced in. We've got a big piece of equipment out there right now that the contractor's using, so we won't step outside, but really super nice sliding glass door. So that's a really great way to see a lot of evening light. As you can see, it's about 5 o'clock in the evening and we have no electricity on, or no lights obviously, and so still nice and bright. So on through here, it does get a little darker just because we have this darker drywall that is the anti-moisture drywall, and you can see we're going to have a tub shower combo, very nice. I do like that they're putting the shower head up high for the tall people in the world. Not something I would have thought of, and a really super nice vanity. Over here we have laundry room, and we will have a on-demand water heater, so that's super cool. And then tucked away over here is another bedroom. Again, nice big windows. They're low E, they're beautiful, almost like a taupe tone. I love the tone of the window. And then big closets. So not a walk-in, but you obviously have lots of space. Could do 2 big shelves. Very nice layout. And then through here, we have our primary bedroom that's just kind of tucked off enough. You could have a really nice mirror here if you wanted to come out and get a little dressed up, but nice big bedroom. Again, we do have a large closet, partial, gosh, I would say it's a walk-in, but you really could have like a her side, his side, or their sides, whatever you wanted. So lots of space in here. Drywall just started getting mudded today. And then through here, I'll let you peek in at the ensuite bathroom. There's a super great stand-up shower that's going to have tile and a nice vanity, a double vanity as well. So great big space. And I like that this primary bedroom is tucked off at the back of the home, or even if you wanted to use this, you know, for like an in-laws guest suite if you needed to. So a lot to love about this home. Again, everything is on one level. We have this nice big space for your main living, dining, and family room and kitchen. You know, you could do a lot with a nice patio off the back. I believe our contractor is going to put a nice patio back there, so it'd almost be like a second dining or sitting space. But keep in touch with us if you want to get an in-person tour. We can certainly schedule that. Again, thank you for joining us for our See It Now property tour at 429 I Street in Bedford, Indiana. Bye.